At Grundfos, we understand what convenience and time savings mean for professionals. And that is why we created Grundfos GO. Grundfos GO is an app that lets you configure, control and alter settings on the pumps you manage, right from your handheld device. It runs on your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch or Android smartphone, and using it couldn't be simpler. To manage your pumps by remote control, all you have to do is install the app and connect the Grundfos mobile interface on your handheld device. Then you can copy profiles to new pumps, generate installation reports, request status data, adjust pump settings, and receive alarms and warnings. Thanks to 24/7 access to Grundfos online services, you can also find exhaustive product info from Grundfos GO caps and select your replacement pumps right on site. To buy the mobile interfaces for the Grundfos GO app, simply contact our local Grundfos sales office. It all adds up to greater convenience and speed, while you manage the pumps you're in charge of more effectively than ever.